Python package consists of a collection of modules, subpackages, and other resources that are bundled together to provide a specific functionality. Use insys package for Python to read real-time and historical operations data in your Python programs. Output of these Python programs can be written to insys system for visualization and reporting. Using insys package we can import sensor data, real-time, historical data, and published data, calculated tags, KPIs and aggregates data, digital logbooks data, reports data, etc. Prerequisites. Existing insys customers shall create a device and API keys under Devices in System Explorer. New customers reach us to get a free evaluation copy of insys platform. After insys system is installed and connected with OT systems, the Python package can be used. Step 1. Install insys package from Python package index using pip. Run command pip install insys. Step 2. Import insys package. Import insys. From insys, InfoView import InfoView. Step 3. Create InfoView instance. Provide domain, credentials, API key, and device key, and validate. We have getCurrentData, getHistoryData, and setManualData methods. By using getCurrentData method, users can get the real-time data by passing tag names. By using getHistoryData method, users can get the history data by passing tag names, interval, metric, start time, and end time. By using setManualData method, users can set the manual data to the parameters. Users can check the published data in the InfoView application.